It's easy to look at a design and notice it looks good, but it's often much harder to pinpoint why it looks good. In this video, I'm going to analyze and break down Figma's blog, Shortcut, and discuss the design principles that make it look nice. After all, how something looks does indeed affect the perception of how well it functions. Let's talk about the grid first, since everything is aligned and based on it. This page uses a 4-column grid with very wide, airy gutters, which is the space between columns that separates elements and content from different columns. The main body text is aligned and spans across the middle 2 columns. Extra text, like callouts, is anchored in the left and right columns. In this particular page, we don't see any text in the left column. This ample separation and space between callouts on the right and the main body text in the center help create a more readable design. You'll also notice 3 text styles are present in this design: a larger bold intro style, the main body copy text style, and a smaller caption and callout style. These text styles help to establish a clear visual hierarchy, not only through text size, but also in text style, which is, for example, bold versus regular. The large, bold text demands to be read first, as its visual emphasis draws your eyes to it first, whereas the caption, which is the smallest size and normal weight, isn't crucial to read. There are also a couple of design details dedicated to making the reading experience comfortable and enjoyable. Shorter lines of text and just right leading, which is the distance between the baseline of each line of text, makes reading easier for the reader, as the eye can more easily and efficiently go from one line to the next without accidentally skipping a line. This text that is slightly increased from the default leading, combined with shorter line lengths, creates a not too dense text block, inviting the reader to read it. And the last thing to point out in this example are the icons in the top right corner, which are used to share the article to other platforms. These are all consistent in size and line thickness. Even though these icons are not from the same set, they all have the same outline or rectangle around them to help them feel more polished and visually consistent. You'll also notice that the same line thickness used around the icons is also used in other parts of the design. For example, the line just above the callout in the right column is the same thickness. This makes everything feel cohesive and consistent, looking intentionally designed and thought of. You have to be intentional with your design choices and use design principles to make good-looking designs. This example from Figma's blog used a grid, a clean and purposeful typography system, and consistent iconography to create a comfortable yet forward-reading experience.
Thanks for watching. If you'd like to see more UX videos, check out these over here, and consider subscribing to our channel. You can find even more resources on our website, including a free library of over 2,000 UX articles. And if you're ready to dive deeper, we offer both live, hands-on UX training and self-paced courses you can take anytime at your own pace. Explore a full course library at nnGroup.com.